In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the admin password on Windows 11. Whether you've been using the same password for a long time, or you just want to tighten up your security, updating your admin password is a quick task once you know where everything is. First, make sure you're already signed in to your Windows 11 PC using an account that has administrator rights. You won't be able to change admin passwords from a standard user account. If this is your personal computer and you're the main user, you're most likely already on an admin account. On your desktop, move your mouse down to the taskbar and click on the Start button, the Windows icon at the center or left of the bar. When the Start menu opens, look for the Settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click that to open the Settings app. If you prefer, you can also press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard together to open Settings directly. Inside Settings, look for the section related to Accounts. On most systems, you'll see an option labeled Accounts on the left-hand side. Click that. This area controls user information, sign-in details, and other account-related settings. Within the Accounts section, find the option that manages your sign-in or password settings. On many Windows 11 setups, this is called Sign-in Options. Click on that to bring up all the ways you can sign in, including password, PIN, and other methods. Now, under the Password section, you should see a button that says Change. Click that. Windows will first ask you to confirm your current password. Type in your existing admin password carefully, then continue. Next, you'll see 3 boxes. One for your new password, one to confirm it, and one for a password hint. Choose a strong new password that you can remember. Ideally, a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Type it into the new password box. Then type the same password again in the Confirm Password box to avoid typos. In the hint box, add a short reminder that makes sense only to you, without giving away the password itself. When you're happy with everything, click Next. Then click Finish. Your admin password is now updated. The next time you sign in, you'll use this new password. Be sure to store it somewhere safe and avoid sharing it with anyone you don't fully trust.